Alright, writing linear inequalities if we are given a table. So our first step is going to be graph or plot our points that are given to us. And so this says that the table below includes points that are the boundary line of an inequality. That means that our line that we would draw is made up of these points. So -6, -6, +10, -3, 8, 0, 6, 3, 4, and 6, 2. So we can see that's where our line is. And then we're going to read this information to determine if it is a solid or a dashed line. So this information says if the solution set of the inequality includes 0, 6, so this point right here, and -7, +2, this point right here, what is an inequality that represents the situation? So we see that part of the solution is this point right here. So that means it's on the line. And remember, if our solution is on the line, we're told it's on the line, then this line has to be a solid line. So, solid line, so that means our inequality is either going to be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Okay, and then identify whether it's shaded above the line or below the line. So since one of our solutions is this point way out here, that means that it would be shaded. That would be our shaded area. So this is shaded below the line. So we're talking about less than or equal to. And then finally we can write our inequality like we did, like we can do before. So we need to find our slope. We've got our y-intercept. Let's see. We know y, it's going to be less than or equal to. We need our slope. We could calculate slope between 2 points, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's an option, always an option. An option also is to go 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. So slope is 2 over 3. This is a negative line, so that's a -2 over 3. So -2 over 3x. Our y-intercept is right here at 6, so that would be +6. So let's do it. One more example. Again, if we're given the table, that's where our line is. So let's plot all of these. Okay, I've plotted our points and we can see where our line is going to be. Let's read. It says if the solution set to the inequality includes the point -1, 1, and 0, 0, what is the inequality that represents the situation? Since the 2 points given to us as solutions were not on this line, then we're going to have a dashed line. So we weren't told that information, okay? So we got a greater than or less than symbol. Let's see, where do we want to shade? Above or below? We want to include these, so that's the shaded area. That is below our line, so we've got a less than. Let's figure out our slope real fast. This again is a negative slope, and if we go from point to point, that is 2 over 2, so -1. So y is less than -x plus 4. 4 is our y-intercept.